Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's try the very cool looking Robocop. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the head first. We're going to draw in the helmet. So we just draw one line across. We're just going to draw the top part first. From here, just go up. And then now we're going to round off the top. So just one big dome shape. And it could be a little bit flatter on the top. Alright, and then in here, this is going to be the visor area. So just draw one long rectangle. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, yeah, nice and simple. And then now we're going to finish up the bottom of the face. So just come in slightly. You can make a little point. Just curve down first. This is going to be the jawline. And now we're just going to come across, just kind of flatten it, just round it out. Okay, and then come to the middle of this. Let's draw one curve on the bottom first. And then here, just continue to, just kind of match the line on the outside. So we just follow that curve. Just go all the way up. Okay, so let's see. So now we can draw in the mouth. So I'm just going to keep it simple. Draw one line across. And then one more line for the lower lip. On the corner here, we can add in 2 little lines just to give it some extra detail. Okay, and let's see. If you want to add in some minor details here, I'm just going to draw 2 lines across. Alright, so that's the head. So now let's move on to the body. Right here, I'm just gonna draw in the neck area first. Let's draw one curve coming down. And then now for his shoulders, we're gonna come across. Curve down. This is gonna be his chest area. And then we're gonna come back up here. So we're gonna curve up. Okay, so just one big curve going up. Let's continue down. Just come down for his waist area. So I'm just gonna draw two little curves coming down. Now I'll close this off. And let's draw one more section coming down and finish up the hip area. So right here, I'm just gonna slant down and then close it off. All right, and let's see if we can add in some details. Just right in the midsection here, I'm just gonna add in two lines. And then on the chest area right here, come down, two lines in the center. Okay, so just come out and then just follow the curve on the outside. And then close everything off. Okay, so that's the torso area. So now let's draw in his arms. Okay, so he's got a little bit higher arm here. His shoulders got a little bit of padding. So we're gonna go up. Curve. And then just kind of come into the body. So his armpit's gonna be right here. All right, and then now for the bicep area, just come down and then just close it off. So just a slight bracket here. Okay, so we're gonna continue down with the forearm. We'll flare out. This one's gonna come straight down. This one, curve, and then close it off. Okay, so flare out. On the outside right here, come straight down. On the inside right here, just curve this way. Close it off. And then for his fist, just come down with one little hook first. Here's the back of the fist. Just angle down and then just tuck it right behind the thumb right there. Okay, so same thing here. Just one little hook. Back of the hand. Down, up. All right, and for some details right here, we can add one little line. All right, so now let's draw on his legs. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna come out a little bit more. Kind of just like the shoulders. Now for the thigh, I'm just gonna bracket down. So nice and big. Now I'm gonna come back to the center right here. Curve. And then just close that off. Just give it a little bit of a slant. Okay, so let's keep going down. I'm gonna flare this out. This one is straight down. Slight curve. And then let's see if we can close this off flat first. So let's draw on this side first. Straight down. Slight curve, close it off flat. So this shape right here is very similar to the forearm. All right, and then now for his foot, bracket down, and this one's gonna go out a little bit more, and then just close this off. Bracket, go out. All right, and let's see if we can add in some details to the legs. Right on the knee right here, just gonna add a little rectangle. And then let's draw one longer one right in the middle. And up here as well, just draw 2 lines and then just turn it into a rectangle. So right in the middle of the die. Okay, and then for the hip right here, we can also add in more detail. Just add one little line or curve going up. And that's it for this Robocop. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.